Hello everyone. Today I would like to speak about our paper which called a meta-analysis of substrate protein on the nutrient, macro mineral and amino acid profiles of maggot. Poultry meat consumption in Indonesia is lower than Malaysia, where Indonesian eat about 9 kg per capita every year, meanwhile Malaysian eat about 36 kg per capita per year. The reason behind it is the meat price in Indonesia is more expensive than Malaysia, as explained by Wahyono and Utami. It is related to feed material price, where feed covers about 60 to 80% of the production cost. Therefore, to reduce meat price, we need to reduce feed material price. However, we face global challenges on reducing feed material price because there is a risk of increasing feed material price and increasing demand for feed material, and also there is a risk of decreasing land availability and environmental issue on production of feed material. The solution is to find an alternative feed that is economic and environmentally friendly, such as black soldier fly. These insects have been gathering a lot of attention from researchers because it can recycle organic waste into valuable nutrients such as protein, lipid, and amino acid. In rearing of black soldier fly, the breeder usually use a different of food waste which contain different of substrate and different protein level. It will affect the nutritional composition of the maggot. A lot of people have studied this uh, phenomenon, but there is no paper until now which summarize the effect of the protein on the nutritional composition, macromineral, and amino acids of the maggot. Therefore, in this paper, we would like to summarize those effects on the nutritional composition, macromineral, and amino acid of the maggot. In this paper, we use a meta-analysis where the data was acquired from the paper indexed by Scopus, and we use a linear mixed method as analysis tools, and in analysis we are using R. The keyword used to search the data were maggot, crude protein, and substrate. We found about 86 article where we reselect the article with the criteria having a DOI, and also report the amount of protein from the substrate, and also report the type of the substrate. From the reselection, we found 10 article which which fits the criteria, and from this table we can see that those article using a lot of variety of the substrate on when rearing the black soldier fly. Our analysis showed that the protein level of the substrate can change the nutrient content in the maggot. Especially, we found the significant effect on dry matter and NDF. The dry matter was increased when protein level was increased. However, neutral detergent fiber was decreased when protein level of the substrate increased. However, we cannot find any effect of a different protein level of the substrate on macromineral content. For essential amino acid, almost all of the essential amino acid was significantly increased when protein level of substrate was increased. However, there is one essential amino acid which did not affected by the increase of protein level of the substrate. For non-essential amino acid, we also find a similar trend as essential amino acid, where almost all non-essential amino acid was increased by increasing protein level of the substrate, except for cysteine and glutamine. From this finding, we can see that the increasing protein level in the rearing substrate did not affect protein content of the BSF. However, it affects the DM, NDF, essential and non-essential amino acid. From our paper, it might we can see that the amino acid synthesis in maggot is influenced by substrate protein level, the type of substrate related to fiber content and amino acid balance, and the presence of ligands and mineral. We can see that in our study, the synthesis of methionine and lysine was increased by increasing level of protein in the substrate. This might show that the synthesis of amino acid can be influenced by the availability of the sulfur. Some substrate might contain mineral, or there is a presence of the sulfur degrading bacteria. However, in our data, in our study, the previous article did not have enough data for the availability of sulfur or sulfur degrading bacteria. This is the gap that can be closed by the next experiment or study. So the conclusion of this study, the nutrient composition of maggot is strongly influenced by the protein level of the substrate, especially the composition of essential amino acids such as methionine and cysteine. Thank you very much.